Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today we will talk about breakfast. Who can say what breakfast is?
Breakfast is the first meal of the day.
Right. And why is breakfast important?
It gives us energy for the day.
Great. What are the usual breakfasts?
Pancakes, eggs, cereal, toast, and fruit.
Great job. Now let's practice the conversation. Imagine you are in a restaurant and you want to order breakfast. Tony, can you start?
Hi, can I have an egg sandwich, please?
Good job. John, can you answer?
Sure. Would you like that with a toast or a bagel?
Toast, please.
Very good. Now let's try another conversation. Samina, can you start?
Good morning. I would like to order a bowl of oatmeal with fruit, please.
Great. John, can you answer?
Of course. Would you like any milk or brown sugar with that?
Yes, please. I would like some milk and brown sugar.
Okay, everyone. Now let's look at the vocabulary. What do we call the first meal of the day?
Breakfast.
What are common breakfasts?
Pancakes, eggs, cereal, toast, and fruit.
And why is breakfast important?
It gives us energy for the day.
Great job. You are doing very well. Keep practicing and soon you will be speaking English fluently.